Where is it? What is it? Is this? This? No. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Ooh, here it is. Have you ever been in this situation, trying so hard to find hand sanitizer or hand cream in your bag? If so, you should try this easy sewing project. Prepare the template. I'm sorry if I can't provide a printable template, because it really depends on the shape of bottle, but I'll show you how to draw the template. Start drawing by holding the pen straight. Don't tilt it like this or this, but hold it straight like this. After this, I'll add half an inch or 1 centimeter around the template. I'm gonna draw a rectangle size on the top. It's about 1 inch by 2.5 inches. So I'll measure the center and add half inch to the left and right, and then draw 2.5 inches to the top. That's how to draw the template, and this includes the seam allowance. So prepare 2 pieces of fabric that's bigger than the template. I'll cut the template. Next, prepare another fabric that is longer than the previous one. Fold the fabric in half, and I will fold the template here, just a little. And then place the template here and cut on fold. Fold this part and iron the fabric. If you love anything about handicraft, consider subscribing and turn on the notification. I'm going to sew this part. Arrange the fabric like this, with the front side facing up, and then the smaller fabric in the middle. And the last one, place the fabric with the front side facing down. Sew this part. We will turn the fabric from here later. Before that, trim around the corner and round part, so the fabric won't be too bulky when we turn it inside out. Now it will be easy to turn the fabric. I'll use a pen or something pointy to push every corner of the fabric. Pushing every corner like this is very important to have a nice look. We will iron the fabric for the last time. And it's very important to iron the fabric before every sewing. Sew this part about 1 millimeter to have a nice look. Insert the bottle to mark where to sew the button. It's here. I'm using snap button, or what do you call this? You can comment below and let me know. Because my English isn't very good, I speak Chinese in my daily life. Insert a keychain from here, and it's finished. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, please like and share this video. If you don't, just hit the dislike button and comment what you don't like about this video. If you have any question, leave a comment below. See you in my next video. Bye!